Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navid Hosseini and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another tutorial of Hyperpix text styles. In this video we're going to do Harry Potter. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply this to your text. And you can have a Harry Potter logo with your own text in less than 2 minutes. If you want to get this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects. Okay, let me show you how this works. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content, and in the new window double click and write your own text. Just type whatever you want. I'm gonna write Harry Potter. Okay. This font has got a lot of space. If you press space, it's a lot. Go to paragraph group here, character group, I'm sorry, and lower the letter spacing. This Y character has a lot of space. As you can see, select R and lower the letter space. I'm going to bring this one a little bit even more. Okay, I'm going to close it and select yes. Boom, 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 boom. Very easy and effortlessly. As you can see, our style has been applied to our text without any special knowledge. Okay, we got this folder here. We got a smoke down here, also these lights and these particles all over our design. You can position them all, resize them. For example, I'm gonna put the particles here, or I'm gonna duplicate it. We got this light, we can remove it or we can resize it. And we got these text here. You can just double click on it and write your own text. Okay, there it is. If you don't want it to be, just disable them. Very easy and super customizable. Effects contains these structures of our design and technical parts. Just skip this one. We got background. If we turn off photo effect and background, we have this transparent, and we can use it in any project that we want. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get this template, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects, like any category, movies, games, and 80s categories, Chrome, and a lot of other amazing categories just waiting for you to be used in your next project. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel right now and ring that bell so you don't miss the new videos. Again, thanks for watching this. My name is Navid and this is Hyperpix.